Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Trying to download an app but getting a verify your Apple ID message? Here's how to fix it in just a few steps. First of all, open settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top. If you are signed out, enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. Tap Payment and Shipping to confirm your payment details. Go to password and security and check if two-factor authentication is on. Now open the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down and tap Verify Apple ID if prompted. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the verification. And that's it. Your Apple ID is verified. And you are ready to download apps again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.